हेलो एंड वेलकम टू flameinstitute.com। हाँ जी, आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे पी ब्लॉक केमिस्ट्री का जो चैप्टर है पी ब्लॉक, उसका आज हम ग्रुप 13 एलिमेंट्स के ऊपर डिपेंड क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं। ठीक है जी। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन आयनिक ट्राइहेलाइट। इसमें से कौन सा फॉलोइंग जो है, इनमें से कौन सा आयनिक ट्राइहेलाइट नहीं है? दैट इज AlF3, BF3, INF3 और GAF3। द आयनिक पूछा है, आयनिक बोला है। ठीक है, आयनिक मतलब बी कंपाउंड आर कोवलेंट। जो बी कंपाउंड होगा वो कोवलेंट होना चाहिए। तो बी जो है BF3, दैट इज अ नॉट एन आयनिक ट्राइहेलाइट। हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज aluminium forms AlF6 3 negative but boron does not form BF6 3 negative because क्यों नहीं बनाते वो? The atomic size of B is small, absence of vacant d orbitals in B atom, of high IP of B atom और B is non metal। So अभी देखिए जी, इसमें है IAlF6 जो है एल्यूमिनियम फॉर्म करती है, लेकिन बोरोन वो फॉर्म नहीं करती है। क्यों? बिकॉज जैसे बी है उसमें देखिए 1s2 2s2 2p1 और एल्यूमिनियम का क्या है 1s2 2p6 3s2 3p1 3d6। सो एब्सेंस ऑफ वेकेंट डी ऑर्बिटल इन बी एटम। अब देखो इसमें जो बोरोन है, बोरोन का जो बी है उसमें देखिए लास्ट में डी एटम एब्सेंस है उसकी, है ना। एल्यूमिनियम में तो है, तो दैट मीन्स इसीलिए हमारा जो क्या हो जाएगा, आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, एब्सेंस ऑफ वेकेंट डी ऑर्बिटल्स इन बी एटम। The next question is, which of the following element can present both in cation and anion of its salt? B बोरोन, एल्यूमिनियम, गैलियम। अब देखिए इसमें बोल रहे हैं कि कैटायन और एनायन। ठीक है, कौन से ऐसे एलिमेंट्स हैं जिसमें कैटायन और एनाइन दोनों ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं? दैट इज एल्यूमिनियम, एल्यूमिनियम 3 पॉजिटिव, एल्यूमिनियम 3 नेगेटिव, जिसमें कैटायन भी और एनाइन भी प्रेजेंट है। सो सेकंड ऑप्शन इज द राइट ऑप्शन। The next question is, an element R belongs to 3A group which is to the with respect to R. It is a gas at room temperature. It is an oxidation state of +4. It forms an oxide of the type R2O3. It forms a halide of the type RX2. The common oxidation state of 3A group element is +3। जो हमारी common oxidation state होती है 3A group की, वो होती है +3। So it forms an oxide of the type R2O3. So third option is the right option. Next question is, aluminium and gallium have the same covalent radius because of greater shielding of s electrons in gallium atoms, poor shielding of s electrons in gallium atoms, poor shielding of d electrons in gallium atoms, or greater shielding of d electrons in the gallium atoms. The solution is poor shielding effect of d electrons of gallium atom. So option 3 is the right option. The next is, an element M reacts with the chlorine to form a compound X. The bond angle of X is 120 degree. What is M? बॉन्ड एंगल के बारे में बात की हुई है कि कौन सा बॉन्ड एंगल है। दैट इज द सॉल्यूशन। हमारे पास जो इक्वेशन दैट इज 2b+3Cl2, दैट इज 2bCl3। सो M जो है वो क्या है, यहाँ पे B है। ठीक है, सो B ऑप्शन इज द राइट ऑप्शन। Next question is the percent of two stable isotopes of 5B11 and 5B10 or if average atomic weight is 10.8. So the option is, we have the atomic weight, that is percentage summation of percent composition into mass number upon 100. So 80.1% and 19.9% is the right option. Boron cannot react with concentrated HCl, concentrated HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 or HNO3 NaOH. Boron dissolved in the concentrated HCl, so it cannot react with the concentrated HCl क्योंकि वो उसमें dissolve हो जाता है. The next question is, two elements X and Y react separately with highly electropositive metal to form binary compounds which upon hydrolysis yield mixture of boranes and silanes X and Y respectively are. बोरेन एंड सिलेन्स की बात की गई है तो सो दैट इज बोरेन एंड सिलिकॉन. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द राइट ऑप्शन. Next is, in which of the following reactions boron does not act as reducing agent? इनसे कौन सी रिएक्शंस में, इनमें से कौन सी रिएक्शन में बोरोन एज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट काम नहीं करता? 2Mg plus 2B is equal to Mg3B2 in the boron act as a reducing agent. So act as not a reducing agent, so the B plus Mg is the reaction in which it does not act as a reducing agent. The next question is, 2B plus 3H2SO4 is equal to 2H3BO3 plus A. The hybridization of central atom in compound A is sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d. सेंट्रल एटम की बात की गई है, सो 2B plus 3H2SO4 is equal to 2H3BO3 plus 3SO2. So A is equal to S double bond O double bond O. This means that is a sp2 hybridization. So second option is the right option. Boron is prepared by heating BCl3 with HCl, Na2B4O7 with Cl2, boron halides with LiAlH4, B2O3 with Mg. B2O3 plus 3Mg give the 2B plus 3MgO. B2O3 plus 2Al is giving you 2B plus Al2O3. So B2O3 with Mg is the right option. Boron resembles silicon in properties. This resemblance is mainly due to the equal values of electropositivity of boron and silicon, atomic volumes of boron and silicon, densities of boron and silicon, or polarizing power of B3 plus and Si4 plus, which have the equal values due to the diagonal relationship. So, polarizing power of the B3 plus and silicon F4 plus is the right option. Hanji, borax. Aqueous solution of borax is dash in nature: neutral, acidic, alkaline or known. Due to the anionic hydrolysis, that is alkaline in nature. The aqueous solution of borax is alkaline in nature. Na2B4O7 plus 2H2 O, 2H2O is giving you 2NaOH plus A. The A compound is orthoboric acid, metaboric acid, tetraboric acid or pyroboric acid. The solution is Na2B4O7 plus 2H2O giving you 2NaOH plus H3BO3. So this is a orthoboric acid. First option is the right option. Borax bead test is responded by divalent metals, heavy metals, light metal or metals which form colored metaborates. Metal which form colored metaborate is the right option. So fourth option is the correct option. The aqueous solution of borax turns red litmus to blue, no change, red or white. Because aqueous solution of borax is alkaline, so it turns red litmus to blue litmus. Borax bead test is used to identify the anion in colored salt, cation in colored salt, anion in white salt or cation in white salt. हाँ जी, aqueous solution of borax is alkaline in nature, so that is used for identify the cation in the colored salt. So second option is the right option. Ca2B6O11 plus 2Na2CO3 is giving you X plus 2CaCO3 plus 2NaBO2. The compound X in the above reaction is. Hanji, when you complete this equation, then you find that Na2B4O7 is the correct option. Borax is treated with hot concentrated HCl to get NaCl and compound A. The oxidation state of B in compound A is. What is the oxidation state of borax? Hanji, the oxidation state of borax is in compound A is plus 3. So third option is the right option. Orthoboric acid contains pyramidal BO3, 3 negative units, linear, T-shaped or triangular. The solution is triangular BO3, 3 negative units. So fourth option is the right option. The next question is H3BO3 at the temperature of 375 red heat giving you B2O5 and B to B to B2O3. The compound A and B are. What is the compound A and B are? Orthoboric and metaboric acid. Metaboric, tetraboric acid, tetraboric or metaboric acid, tetraboric and orthoboric acid. The option is HbO2, that is metaboric acid at A, and B, tetraboric acid at B. So the right option is second. दे दो सर, कोई बात नहीं, पी लूंगी, पी लूंगी सर, पी लूंगी सर मैं. BCl3 on hydrolysis. बात करके बोलो दोबारा. पी लूंगी सर. पी लूंगी सर मैं. ओके. हाँ जी, BCl3 on hydrolysis gives B2O3 and HCl, B2H6 and HClO2, H3BO3 and HCl, B2O3H2 and Cl2. The solution is BCl3 plus 3H2O is giving you H3BO3 plus 3HCl. So, third option is the right option here. The next is borazole. Borazole contains the following bonds: 9 sigma, 6 pi, 6 sigma, 9 pi, 12 sigma, 3 pi, 15 sigma, 0 pi. Borazole contains 12 pi and 12 sigma and 3 pi bonds. So, third option is the right option. The next is the maximum number of atoms present in the same plane in diborane molecule is 2, 6, 4 and 3. The right option is same. They had said the same plane. So, the boron atoms, 2 boron atoms and 4 terminal hydrogen atoms are present in the same plane. So, 2 plus 4 that is equal to 6. Second option is the right option. Reactivity of borazole is more than that of benzene because borazole is a polar compound. Borazole is a non-polar compound. It is an electron deficient compound or of the delocalized electrons in borazole. The right option is borazole is a polar compound. The valencies of nitrogen shared between 2 boron atoms in B2H6 is 3,3, 4,4, 3,4 or 4,3. The right option is in borazole, nitrogen and boron exhibits maximum covalency of 4. So, that is the answer 4, 4. The total number of electrons shared between 2 boron atoms in B2H6 are 2, 3, 4 or 6. The right option is 2 BHB bonds are formed by sharing the totally 4 E negative. So, third option is the right option. Which of the following compound is not a borane? Borane has generally formula BnHN4, Hn-4 or BnHn-6. So, B5H10 is not a borane. The mixture of BCl3 vapor and hydrogen gas is subjected to electric charge. The chief product are BHCl, B2H6HCl, B2H3Cl HCl, B2H4Cl2 HCl. The solution is, the given equation is 2BCl3 plus 6H2 is giving you B2H6 plus 6HCl. So, second option is the right option. The next question is, which of the following is a covalent compound? AlCl3, Al2SO43, AlF3 or Al2O3. The right option is AlO3. Okay. Aluminate ion in aqueous solution actually exists as. The right option is aluminate ion AlOH6 3 negative. So, first option is the right option. AlO negative 2 ion in aqueous solution exists as. The right option is meta-aluminate ion. that is AlHOH4 H2O2 negative. So third option is the right option. The inactiveness of aluminium in the presence of concentrated HNO3 is due to the formation of a layer of AIN3, AIN, Al2S3, Al4HC3, Al2O3. The solution is Al is passive towards concentrated HNO3 due to the formation of Al2O3 layer. So, fourth option is the right option. In aluminium ion, coordination number of the aluminium is 2, 4, 6 or 1. The solution is aluminium ion, that is coordination number is 6. So third option is the right option. The next is aqueous ammonia is used as participating reagent for aluminium 3 positive ions as AlOH3 rather than aqueous NaOH because NH4 positive is weak base, NaOH is a strong base, NaOH forms AlOH4 negative ions or NaOH forms AlOH2 negative ions. The solution is Al aluminium forms metaluminate or aluminate with NaOH but not AlOH3. So the right option is 3. Al plus X on heating Y H2O Z plus NH3. Here X, Y, Z, X, Y and Z are O2, Al2O3, AlOH3, N2, Aln, Al2O3, N2, Aln, AlOH3 or CO2, Al4C3, SCH4. The right option is N2, Aln, AlOH3. Consider the following reaction. Al plus NaOH is equal to Na3AlO3 plus H2, 2Al plus 2OH plus 6H2O giving you 2AlOH4 negative NH4NO3 plus H2O, and the next one is Al is equal to this. So इसमें से कौन सी true है हमें वो बतानी है. Which one is true? The right option is first and second equations are true. Which of the following react with nitrogen when heated in air? Aluminium, carbon, sodium or potassium? 2Al plus N2 is giving you 2Aln. So aluminium react with nitrogen when heated in the air. Concentrated HNO3 can be stored in a container made of Cu, Al, Zn or Sn. The right option is concentrated HNO3 makes aluminium passive due to formation of Al2O3 layer. So it is kept in the container of aluminium. Next is, which of the statement about aluminium is not correct? It liberates hydrogen from acid as well as alkalis. It liberates hydrogen from acids but not from alkalis. It liberates hydrogen from not hot alkali solution, or it liberates hydrogen from boiling water. The correct option is it also liberates hydrogen gas when react with alkalis. So this is the equation. So right option is second. Which of the following has more number of water of crystallization? Corundum, Gibbslit, bauxite, or diaspore? The right option is gavesite. The next question is, aluminium react with concentrated H2SO4 and forms SO3, SO2, H2 or S vapors. Solution is 2Al plus 6H2SO4 giving you Al2SH4 6H2O plus 3SO2. So the right option is SO2. Second option is the right option. When concentrated caustic soda is heated in aluminium vessel, NaOH does not separate, Na is displaced by aluminium, O2 is liberated, H2 is displaced. The right option is H2 is displaced. टुमारो का क्लियर बता दें सर ये टेम्परेचर सैटरडे संडे मंडे फिर से यही वाला बादल।
सैटरडे उसे वो बताया था कि धूप निकल जाएगी।
सुबह के 2-3 बजे का टाइम ये देते हैं 6 डिग्री टेम्परेचर 5 डिग्री टेम्परेचर।
सुबह उठता है। आप कितने बजे उठते हो?
मैं 7 बजे उठ जाती हूँ। सोते 1 बजे ऐसा रात को।
ग्रुप नंबर 14।
हाँ जी, ग्रुप 14 एलिमेंट्स के रिगार्डिंग क्वेश्चंस हैं. Reactivity towards O2, H2 and X2. The first question is the order of the stability of dihalides of silicon, germanium, SN and lead changes in sequence. What is the sequence for that? Due to the inert pair effect, the changes due to the inert pair effect, the right option is 3. The next question is which of the following is reducing agent? Which of the following is a reducing agent and undergoes hydrolysis? The options are CH4, C2H6, C3H8 and SiH4. Reducing agent पूछा है तो that is silanes are reducing agents, so SiH4 is the right option. हाँ जी, a metal M forms chlorides in its +2 and +4 oxidation state. Which of the following statement about these chlorides is correct? MCl2 is more soluble in anhydride ethanol than MCl4. MCl2 is more ionic than MCl4. MCl2 is more easily hydrolyzed than MCl4, or MCl2 is more volatile than MCl4. The right option is less positive charge, more ionic nature. कितना जितना कम पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा उतना ही ज्यादा आयनिक नेचर होगा. So MCF2 is the ionic more ionic than MCl4. The next is about allotropy. The hardness of diamonds is due to JEE polymer structure, higher refractive index, hexagonal layer lattice structure, or high electronegativity of carbon. The right option is JEE polymer structure. The glittering nature of diamond is due to JEE polymer structure, high refractive index, high IP value of carbon, or high electronegativity of carbon. The solution is glittering nature increases with the refractive index. So, right option is high refractive index. Graphite is good conductor of electricity due to its giant tetrahedral polymer structure, its high refractive index, presence of free and mobile electrons, high IP value of carbon. The right option is presence of free and mobile electrons. Which property is common in diamond and graphite? Electrical conductivity, crystal structure, atomic weight, and density. The right option is atomic weight is common in diamond and graphite. So, third option is the right option. Graphite is used as lubricant due to slippery nature, giant structure, high refractive index, or high IP value of carbon. The right option is due to the weak van der Waals forces between layers. Graphite has slippery nature. So that's why it is used as a lubricant. So first option is the right option. Next question is, hybrid orbitals with 33.33% s character are involved in the bonding of one of the crystallite allotropes of carbon. The allotrope is carbon black, graphite, diamond, and gas carbon. The right option is graphite has sp2 hybridization. In sp2 orbitals, s character is 33.33%. So the right option, p character is 66.66%. So the right option is graphite. Diamond is non-conductor of electricity because there are no free electrons, giant polymer structure, high refractive index, or its IP value is high. The right option is there are no free electrons because हमें जो पता है कि electricity जो होती है या conductor होता है किसी का good conductor है, that is have the free electrons, but diamond is no free electron. So that's why that is not a good conductor of electricity or non-conductor of electricity. Oxides of C and Si. A and B are the compounds of carbon. A, on passing over red hot coke, it converted to B. A and B are CO and CO2, CH4 and C2H6, CO2 or CO, CCl4 and CHCl3. The right option is CO2 plus C giving you 2CO. So A is CO2 and B is CO. The right option is 3. CO2 and N2 are non-sporters of combustion. However, for putting out fire, CO2 is preferred over N2 because CO2 does not burn, forms non-combustible products with burning substances. It is denser than nitrogen, is more reactive gas. The right option is denser than nitrogen. ये nitrogen से ज़्यादा denser होती है, that's why it is used. Carbon monoxide is poisonous because it dries up, reduces the organic matter of tissues, combines with hemoglobin and cause deficiency of oxygen in blood, combines with O2 present in the blood to form CO2. The right option is combines with hemoglobin and cause deficiency of oxygen in blood. So that's why carbon monoxide CO is the poisonous gas. CO can be used as fuel but not CO2 because CO2 is not a good fuel. CO is a good fuel. CO can be oxidized but not CO2, or CO2 can be oxidized but not CO. The right option is 2CO plus O2 is given 2CO2. So CO can be oxidized but CO2 not. CO2 is used for extinguishing fire because it has relatively high critical temperature. It in solid state it is called dry ice. It is neither combustible nor supporters of combustion. It is colorless gas. The right option, it is not neither combustible or not supports the combustion. मतलब ये ना तो जलता है खुद ही ना ही जलने में सपोर्ट करता है. The correct statement with respect to CO is it combines with H2O to give carbonic acid. It reacts with hemoglobin in RBC. It is a powerful oxidizing agent. It is used to prepare aerated drinks. The right option is CO plus HbO2 giving you HbCO2, CO plus O2. So that means the second option is the right option. It reacts with hemoglobin 2 in RBC. The next is SiCl2 plus 4H2O giving you X plus 2HCl. X on heating up to 100 degrees centigrade, Y is obtained, and Y on treating with HF, the final product obtained is. The right option is SiCl2 plus 4H2O giving you H4SiO2 plus H4HCl. So H4SiO2 on heating giving you SiO2 plus 2H2O, and SiO2 plus 4HF giving you SiF4 plus 2H2O. So this is the right option is H2SiF6. SiO2 plus A giving you X plus Y. In this reaction, Y is one of the global warming gases. A is water soluble alkali metal carbonate whose molecular weight is 106. The common name of X is washing soda, baking soda, flint glass or water glass. The right option is SiO2 plus Na2CO3 giving you Na2SiO3 plus CO2. So Y is equal to CO2 and A is Na2CO3. So X is Na2SiO3. That means water glass. Silica reacts with hydride of superhalogen to form X. On hydrolysis of X, another compound Y is formed by on heating at 1000 degrees Celsius loses water to form Z. The Z can also be prepared in the following reaction. इसमें से Z और कौन सी reaction में बनता है? The right option is Si plus O2 giving you SiO2. हाँ जी, silica reacts with hydride of superhalogens to form X. On hydrolysis of X, another compound Y is formed. Y on heating at 1000 degrees Celsius loses water to form Z, and Z can also be prepared in the following reaction. This is the reaction 2. और इसमें बनता कैसे है? Let's see. Hydride of the superhalogen is equal to HF. Or SiO2 plus 4HF giving you SiF4 plus 2H2O, and on with the SiF4 with the water giving you H4SiO4 plus 2H2SiF6, and ये जो H4SiO2 है that giving you SiO2 plus 2H2O. So X is SiF4, Y is H4SiO4, Z is SiO2. So how that's why we are write the option. Hydrolysis of SiCl4 given compound X and HCl on heating 1000 Celsius loses water and form Y. Identify X and Y respectively. SiCl4 plus H4H2 giving you H4SiO4 plus HCl. So H4SiO4 on 1000 heating on 1000 degrees Celsius giving you SiO2 plus 2H2O. So the second option is the right option. The element of IBA group, fourth A group is that has no catenation ability. That is C, Si, Ge or Pb. The right option is Pb. That means lead. The element exhibiting inert pair effect. Carbon, silicon, diamond or lead. The right option is lead, जो कि inert pair effect को exhibit करता है. C bond, carbon bond length in diamond is 1.33, 1.54, 1.20, 1.8. The right option is 1.54. When diamond is heated in vacuum at 2000 degrees Celsius, the substance formed is amorphous carbon, coal, graphite or carbon monoxide. The right option is graphite. The formula of carbondum is SiO2, Na2SiO3, SiC, H2SiO4. The right option is H4SiO4. Graphite and gas carbon are a pair of isoters, allotropes, isomers or compounds. The right option is allotropes. The allotrope of carbon not used in making the electrodes is gas carbon, petroleum coke, graphite or diamond. The right option is diamond. Why? Because ये non-conductor of electricity है, that's why. Inert form of carbon is charcoal, coal, graphite, diamond. The right option is diamond. Inert form of carbon is diamond. Lead pencil contains lead, lead sulfide, graphite and clay, ferrous sulfide. The right option is graphite and clay. The next question is related to oxide. Poisonous gas present in exhaust fume of automobiles is C2H6, CO2, CO or CH4. The right option is carbon monoxide, that means CO. Which of the following is used as ligand in the metallurgy of Ni by Mond's process? That is NOCO, SiO2 or CO2. The right option is carbon monoxide, that means CO. Hybridization of carbon atom in carbon dioxide is sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp hybridization or dsp2 hybridization. The right option is sp hybridization. The oxide which exists as a solid at room temperature is carbon monoxide, CO2, SiO2, SO2. The right option is SiO2. The following is an acidic gaseous oxide: PbO2, SnO2, SiO2, CO2. The right option is CO2, carbon dioxide. The next question is related to silicons. The repeating unit of silicons: RSIO, R2SiO, RSiO2, R2SiO2. The right option is R2SiO. The starting material for the formation of silicon polymers are silicates, chlorosilicane, silanes or silicon carbide. The right option is silicates. Silicons are the polymers formed by the hydrolysis of silicon dioxide, silanes, silicates or chlorosilanes. The right option is silicates. The questions related to silicates. The basic structural unit of silicates is SiO2, Si2O6, Si3O2, SiO4. The right option is SiO4. Which of the following contains discrete SiO4 negative tetrahedron units? Orthosilicates, pyrosilicates, cyclic silicates or asbestos. The right option is orthosilicates. Asbestos is an example for xyloid, amphibole, pyroxene or silicon. The right option is amphibole. Which one of the following is a three-dimensional sheet silicate? Spodumene, phenacite, talc, or cristobalite? The right option is cristobalite. Willemite is an example for sheet silicates, chain silicates, 3D silicates, or orthosilicates. The right option is orthosilicates. Amphiboles belongs to framework silicates, chain silicates, cyclic silicates, or pyrosilicates. The right option is chain silicates. Which of the following is not a framework silicate? Xyloid, kaolin, ultramarine, or feldspar? The right option is kaolin. Sir,